March is already here and this year is moving quick. Like always, I have 3 more winning products for you to sell on your dropshipping stores this month. I spent countless hours putting this list together for you guys, so remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. And if you want trending products just like these delivered straight to your inbox every 2 weeks, remember to sign up for our winning product notifications, link down below. My name's Alex, and without wasting any more time, let's go over them. All right, March 2023 winning products, let's go over them. So the first product that I have for you guys is this kids drawing tablet right here. As you can see in the lower right hand corner, I said with more kids at home, due to remote learning and increased screen time, parents are looking for ways to keep them entertained and engaged. This kids drawing LCD tablet provides a fun and creative outlet that's both educational and entertaining. It's also portable, making it perfect for on-the-go activities. By selling this popular product on your dropshipping store, you can tap into a growing market of parents looking for high-quality, kid-friendly gadgets to keep their little ones busy and happy. So as you guys know, new parents are very eager to spend their money on their children. They're always buying types of products just like these. So the cost of this product for you guys is $8.83 on AliExpress with free shipping. You can then go on to sell it for $39.99 as it's one of those tech type products that people really don't know the value of. For a profit of $31.16 per sale with a high profit margin of 78%. If you guys were starting off on Facebook ads with the interest targeting, I would definitely target kids, family, and Nickelodeon. So let's go ahead and take a look at 2 stores that are currently successfully selling this product and what they're doing right. Alright, the first brand that I found selling this dropshipping product is Octopus Mood Toy. We've already been hit with a pop-up for up to 70% off onto your email. That's pretty cool. But it looks like they were a 1 product store selling this octopus toy that you can see at the top. And they started selling similar products just like this and kind of transitioned to a general store. I don't know what their story is, but just at first glance, that's what it looks like based on the branding, the name, and everything else. But we have the LCD writing tablet, colorful drawing pad for kids. They have a ton of incentives up here. So they're selling it for $24.99. They have a badge with all their 5-star reviews, scarcity as well. All their trust badges right here, fast shipping to your location, delivery by whenever, and then their basic description, more trust badges right here. So they went a little overboard with like the trust badges and all the incentives and scarcity and kind of left out some details on this actual product itself. Like they only have one little paragraph right here describing it with some AliExpress specifications right here. So I definitely go through and write a more detailed description, add some photos, some GIFs, some high quality content overall. Maybe even some extra upsells because of all the other products that they have on this store. But other than that, I like the photos up here. They have a couple different color options. Let's see, you can pick blue or pink. And then they have it looks like honestly just some AliExpress content that they went and just slapped up on this product page. So I definitely clean up the product page a little bit, write a better description, add some upsells, and just make this content right here overall look much better and branded to your own store. But it's not bad for the $24.99 pricing point. Alright, another dropshipping store selling this product is Baby Poo Store. And once again, we got hit with another pop-up incentive right here for your email. So they want you to enter your email for a 10% coupon. I do that on most of my stores. So once again, I highly recommend doing the pop-up on your own store, no matter what product you're selling. But right here we have the LCD colorful drawing tablet, 8.5 inch. They're selling it for $28.99, marked down from $38.95, 26% off. You can pick black, pink, or blue. 3 different color options right there. Free US shipping, in stock, ready to ship. Then they have the description right here. So they have some high quality content on the left side, all the different colors, the placeholder images, all that. Then they have some more content in the description right here, a bunch of different paragraphs, divided up by these different pictures. They don't have any GIFs or anything, but right here they have shipping information, ask a question. I would definitely throw in like a FAQ, a little bit about their brand right here. Customer review section, but no reviews imported just yet, as well as their you may also like upsells down below. So there's a couple of things I would add to this myself. Maybe some quantity breaks, try to get people to buy 2 or maybe even 3 depending on how many kids they have. I would add some more supporting GIFs in here, clean up the description a little bit, but it's definitely much better than the last description that we were just looking at. I would add some reviews, maybe some trust badges, and just clean this up a little bit overall, maybe even test out a different theme or something, but this isn't bad. Once again, this does justify the $28.99 pricing point, so this is a pretty good description overall, all things considered. All right, moving on to the second product. Right here, I have the pet bath brush for you guys. You guys know I love targeting pet owners of any kind. So this innovative and convenient product makes bath time for furry friends a breeze by combining the functions of a brush and soap dispenser into one. This brush is made of high quality silicone, which is gentle on a dog's skin and effective in removing dirt and grime. This product is sure to be a hit among dog owners who want to make bath time less of a hassle, and with its unique features, it's sure to stand out in the competitive dropshipping market. Checking Google Trends confirms this to be a winner, as well as the many viral videos going around for a ton of different dropshipping brands, whether that's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, whatever. I've seen this product literally being advertised everywhere. So the cost of this product on AliExpress is $5.07 with free shipping. You can then go on to sell it for $24.99 with a profit of $19.92 per sale. And that's another high profit margin of 80%. So it's a great dropshipping profit margin, and it's a great product that you guys should be focused on selling this month and honestly going into spring, summer, and all that. 3 interests I would start off targeting on Facebook ads would be dog grooming, dog lovers, and pets at home. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's already selling this product, what they're doing right, and what we can improve on ourselves. All right, this dropshipping brand right here is groomystore.com. So the brand is Groomy. They're a niche store. It looks like they sell pet grooming supplies and accessories and all that stuff, so this definitely fits their brand. So this is the dog bath brush, Massage Your Pets. They're selling it for $19.99, marked down from $29.99. They have 155 5-star ratings imported or left by their customers, who knows. But they have some high quality content right here on the left hand side. I really like that. Like this brush being used on the dog right there, and all of the different colors and all of that good stuff. So they have 3 different color options right here. Well, they have 2 different types of brushes, so type A and type B. So it looks like the heart shaped and then just the normal shaped one. Yeah, so 3 different color options below that. You got pink, blue, or yellow. Oh cool, they have the quantity breaks right here and all of their other upsells and all that good stuff. So buy 2 and get 1 for free right now. Or save money by buying these products together. They have the dog bath brush, as well as a vest for your dog and a leash right here. So you can get all of these products marked down. They have a great upsell system in place. I really like this. I would definitely apply this to some of your own brands. Shipping to the United States, order within the next 11 hours for dispatch today. You'll receive it between March 17th and April 4th. So obviously they're a dropshipping brand. They have the slower shipping times, but they put that right there so that they can tell their customers that they warned them beforehand. It's probably in their shipping policy as well. So they can really fight off any refunds, chargebacks, any of that. They can just kind of avoid those entirely. If someone doesn't want to wait for this product, they won't order it. And if they're fine waiting, then they're gonna order it. So gives you the shipping time frame right there, and then we move into the actual description. Once again, they have a ton of high quality content, different paragraphs about the product and bullet points divided up by these photos. With their little trust badges right here, price guaranteed, over 1,000 reviews, fast shipping, 24/7 support. They have the drop downs with the questions right here. How do I track the progress of an order? Can I change my order? So a couple questions right there. I might even, once again, throw in an FAQ about this actual product itself if you're getting a ton of customer questions and getting the same questions over and over and all that. But right here is the 155 5-star reviews that we talked about above. Organized very well, fits into the brand. You may also like, they have all of their upsells down below and all that good stuff. So this is probably the best description that we've looked at so far. I really like it. I've only offered a couple of improvements myself, like an FAQ section, maybe cleaning up the description a little bit more, adding a little more details of the actual product. You guys see there's not very many supporting paragraphs down here. But overall, they did a great job with this description, the upsells, the branding, and justifying that $19.99 price point. All right, last but not least, product number 3, and I've seen this one everywhere. This is the Granddaughter Star Ring. So this ring has been making its rounds on social media, going viral for more than just a couple of different dropshipping brands. It's a simple, attention-grabbing accessory that drives impulse purchases with the right advertising or content style, and its targeting is very easy, as well as pairing it with any relevant upsells to the older generations, you know, people with granddaughters and all of that. So the cost of this product is actually 99 cents with free shipping on AliExpress. You can then go on to sell this product for $39.99 for a profit of $39 per sale. That's a 98% profit margin, the best of any of the products that we've gone over. That is a great profit margin, especially for dropshipping. So 3 interests that I would start off targeting on Facebook ads for this product would be ring, grandchild, and grandparent. So let's go ahead and take a look at a brand that is already selling this ring and what they're doing right. All right, I like the looks of this already. From Awareness Avenue, we have the My Beautiful Granddaughter Special Star Ring on sale for $39.95, marked down from $79.95, 50% off discount as it appears to the customers. They have almost 400 5-star excellent reviews as listed at the top. I like their trust badges at the top as well. The lifetime warranty, 180-day free returns and exchanges, fast and free shipping worldwide, and over 160,000 happy customers based on the reviews. I don't know if any of this is true, but whatever. They have some high quality content right here in the description. You can see all of it on the left hand side. They have some pop-ups as well as some of their other products. So this product right here with the different reviews being displayed. But it's one size fits all, just like on the AliExpress listing. They had the ad gift box upsell right there. Buy more and save, meaning they have quantity breaks, so you can buy a couple more and save, however many percentage. Hurry, we sell out often, add to cart. And then they have their trust badges right here. So they have a detailed description, materials and details about the ring. Once again, some high quality content, some bullet points, 5 great reasons to buy this ring. Just all the features and benefits, sizing help, jewelry care, all of these drop downs. They have an FAQ, money back guarantee. So I really like the way this description is structured, this whole product page in general. And then right here, they have all of their reviews displayed down here. Their brand mission. They don't have any other upsells, just more information about the brand at the bottom. So I definitely include more upsells on here, like, similar and related products. But as far as the content, structuring the description, the upsells they do have, and all of the branding is concerned, they did a great job with this product description, and especially justifying that $39.95 pricing point with the 50% off discount. You guys now have 3 trending products that are sure to sell this month. This should save you a ton of time so that you can get right to testing. If you found any of these products helpful, be sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. And don't forget to sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.